Okay, so here's the new control box or new power supply for my little Fedelcode Siren. This transformer, this is my basic transformer I use for everything, just for testing, and it did supply me with enough amps. It wasn't big enough, obviously. It's too small, and it's just barely fits in there. And the bigger transformer won't fit into this, so I had to make my own box here. The transformer I got at Maker Faire. They're taking stuff apart, and they said take anything because they didn't really want to have to throw it away and get rid of it all. So I took my fair share of transformers. Nice transformer. It's about that tall. It supplies with I think about 15 volts AC, and it steps down to 12 volts DC when it runs the rectifier. And it supplies me with enough amps to get that pretty high pitched, a lot higher pitched than this one. Then I have a computer fan here, which is, the whole thing's fan cooled. The rectifier has cool air blowing on it. It also has a heat sink to remove the heat. You can see. And that the power is taken up to right from there to the fan, which is wired in parallel. And then also this probably doesn't work as well, but it's sucking heat from the transformer. And luckily it doesn't get too hot. The rectifier does though. Then here I have got the black cord is power input 120 volts, and this is to the siren. This switch turns the siren on and off, and this LED here, that when the siren goes on, green LED goes on also. And I realized I have to unsolder it and then put it through the hole on the piece of metal and then resolder it, because I can't get it on there. I soldered all these and then put connectors on there. Just I didn't want electrical tape because it looked kind of ugly. That's all there. And then I'm just going to put the switch on and it'll look pretty nice. The wood box, just basic wood, cheap wood, and then use the screws, and I'm going to put a nice piece of sheet metal over it. Okay, so here's the panel. All the holes around it are for screws. That hole is from the switch and that one's for the LED. I've got drying in the hot barrage with this really big light on it to increase the drying speed. Painted it civil defense yellow. I didn't put a piece of coat of primer on it because I wanted to dry it really fast so I could put it together. So hopefully it'll be dry soon. It's still a little bit sticky, but I like it. Piece of sheet metal, galvanized. Didn't paint the backside, and hopefully I'm gonna paint the box too. But I'm gonna leave it for now. And I would have painted it all together, but I wanted the shiny screws to show. Okay, so here's the finished product. Got it painted. I didn't put primer on it, and it's already scratching. But as you can see, I have my one switch here, and an LED, green LED with a wash to help it stay. That's basically what the box looks like. Got some wire here, and a connector. Yep. So, I did have a little test run here.